Guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through Vibmel tutorial. So this video is going to be a step-by-step on how to upload your music on all streaming platform with Vibmel Music Distribution. So without wasting much of your time right here, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to actually click on the first link in the video description, or you could head over to vibmel.com. So once you head over to vibmel.com, it's going to take you straight to the official website, and you can see right here that this is the official website basically. So what we are going to be doing right here is you need to actually create an account if you know you haven't created an account. So once you create an account right here, it's going to take you to this page where they're going to ask you to put in your email. They're going to ask you to put in your first name, your last name, your artist name, select your role, enter your password, confirm your password. Then once you're done, you're going to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up right here, it's going to take you straight to a page right here where they're going to ask you to pick a plan basically. So you can see Vibmel actually has different kind of pricing plan. So for the rising plan, which is the basic plan, is starting for $24 a year, but I already created a video on how you can literally get 30% discount on any of their pricing plan. So basically in that video you can actually get this pricing plan for $16 right here. The link to the video in the video description, so you can always do what to go check out the video. So like I said, you'll be able to get 30% off of any plan you're going to be subscribing to on Vibmel. You can see right here that Vibmel have different kind of pricing. They also have their per release plan. For those of you that don't like subscription plan, you can always go with their per release plan. And like I said, you can literally get 30% discount off every single subscription on Vibmel as long as you use my promo code IOSTIP. Like I already created a video on how you can actually do that. I'll be leaving the link in the video description and also at the end of this video. So once you actually pick a plan right here, it's going to take you straight to their main dashboard. Basically you can see right here that this is the main dashboard. So they just actually updated their dashboard currently, because the dashboard right here is really similar to 1RPM. For those of you that are familiar to 1RPM, but there is a quite difference there. So you can see right here, you see I kind of have a balance of $9 right here in my balance, and this is the equivalent of money in I don't know what currency, I think Brazil or something. So you can see these are my latest release, and you can see right here that this is where you can see your stats, how many streams you're getting, you know, where the streams are coming from, you know, your top playlist, your top country. You can see these are where my streams are literally coming from. So you can see right here that these are all the tools right here on Vibmel that you could actually take to your advantage. So right here, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be uploading our music on all streaming platform. And by the way, you can also claim your YouTube artist channel profile. So I'll be walking you through how to do that later on in the video. So what you're going to do right here is you're going to click on upload music. So once you click on upload music right here, it's going to take you straight to this page right here. So they're going to ask you to put in the title of your album, or the title of your single, or the title of your EP. So for example, let me just put in love. So let's just say love is the title of our song right here. So this is where you're going to be entering in your artist name. You need to just type in your artist name. So once you actually type in your artist name right here, it's going to bring a pop-up right here. So let me just quickly use this artist name as an example. So I'm going to click on where it says add new. So once I click on where it says add new, I'm going to select solo artist. Then I'm going to be searching for my artist name. So basically it's going to literally search for your artist name on stores. So you can see right here that if you already have an existing artist name on stores before, you'll be able to select that. But if you do not have any artist name, or you have not actually uploaded any music before, you're going to see an option where you can actually just select create a profile for me. So since I already have an artist name, I'm just going to be putting in my artist name. So this is where you can actually link your YouTube for Artists profile, and you can also connect your audio mark to Vibmel. Here, just click on where it says import main genre. So you're going to be selecting your genre. You can see they have a couple of genres. So I'm going to be selecting Afrobeat. Then my secondary genre will be Afro pop. So once I'm done with that, this is where you could actually enter your language, enter your label name. So this is where you could enter your label name. So once you're done with that, just click on where it says upload track. So once you click on where it says upload track, you're going to select looks good. So once you click on select looks good right here, it's going to take you straight to this page where you'll be able to add in the title. So just repeat the process again. So once you're done with that, this is where you'll be able to add in the engineers. This is where you'll be able to add in the songwriter role, and this is where you'll be able to add in the lyrics basically. And once you're done with that, you're just gonna click on save basically. Once you're done filling out this information, this is where you'll be able to add in your audio file. So you need to make sure that your audio file is in WAV format, and just click on this upload section right here. So once you click on the upload section, it's going to take you to your files where you'll be able to add in your audio file basically. So just select your audio file and upload them. So once you're done with that, select next. It's going to take you where you'll be able to add your artwork. And by the way guys, sorry for the background noise coming from the video. I'm actually in a school campus, so there's actually noise where I am, so you guys just need to actually pardon me and just follow what I'm actually teaching you guys right here. So you can see right here that these are the qualifications, the requirements for the artwork. So the artwork needs to be 3000 by 3000 pixel, then they need to be in JP format or PNG format. So you need to actually design your artwork meeting their specification and requirement. So you can actually use canva.com to actually design your artwork. So once you're done with that, click on the distribution preferences. So basically this is where you'll be able to select how much you're going to be selling your music, high or low. So just select that. So this is where you'll be able to set the TikTok time. This is where you'll be able to select the seconds or the time frame you want your music to actually play on TikTok. So you can see right here, you see this is the stores they actually distribute to. So these guys actually distribute to almost 250 stores right here. So although they are not actually listing every stores right here, but you can see right here, these are a couple of stores that actually distribute to. So basically, once you're done with that, just click on preview. So once you click on preview right here, you'll be able to see all of your informations basically. So this is just a demo, so I'm not going to be distributing this. So once you're done with that, just click on where it says distribute album. So once you click on where it says distribute album right here, your music is gonna be distributed, and you can see I already distributed a couple of music right here. You can see that they have been approved. So basically that is how you could actually upload your music using Vibmel. So if you know you want to get a 30% off discount, I'm going to advise you actually click on the video popping right in your screen. And I'm also going to be leaving the link in the video description. So if you know you found the video helpful, please do well to give the video a like. And also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So if you know you want to learn more about Vibmel Music Distribution, I'm going to advise you click on the playlist popping right in your screen. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video.